No talk.
West 41 climbing Baldwin Hill, Washington. Speed limit 35. You're going about 39 right now.
Wow, that's pretty good. I think the 9 liter would be going about 20 or 25.
Hours for 40.
This should be resting us here where it doesn't bounce. Third gear. Yeah,
Down 33.
This thing downshifts really good.
Yeah, this one has good shift points. Better than the other spare buttons. Oh, now we're back up to 35.
Proud driver of bus 41, Mr. David Ortis. Almost to the top.
Almost to the top. We're at about 32 right now.
I think this is rotor down to like 15 for the other one.
There's where someone I went to high school with using my brother's range.